Hello, and welcome to GVB Biopharma's podcast series, Exploring Cannabinoids, where we discuss non-psychoactive cannabinoids and leverage our industry expertise as a leading raw material and finished product manufacturer to provide guidance on emerging cannabinoids and how to succeed in the booming cannabinoid market. My name is Nicole, and I'll be your host. In this episode, we will discuss consumer cannabinoid products, which product types are flying off the shelves, and what position you should take in this ever-growing market. The compliant cannabinoid industry is undergoing unprecedented change. Not only is CBD not the only non-intoxicating cannabinoid on the block anymore, but the massive shift to online sales is rewarding certain types of CBD products and reducing the emphasis on others. To learn how to position yourself in the changing cannabinoid economy, you'll need to study recent market trends and put together a dynamic branded product portfolio that caters to the times. Leveraging the latest report from acclaimed cannabis market analytics firm, the Brightfield Group, you can learn which CBD, CBG, and CBN products are currently the most popular and discover how to build a brand that will stand the test of time. COVID-19 has initiated an unprecedented boom in CBD e-commerce. As we all know, countless brick-and-mortar businesses have been forced to close as a result of COVID-19. As a result, customers have shifted away from in-store shopping, and the online CBD market has flourished. According to the Brightfield Group's 2021 mid-year report, over 50% of consumers report they are now purchasing CBD online. While new data has not yet been released, it's likely that this percentage is now even higher. As a result, cannabinoid brands that position themselves to be online-facing will continue to thrive. Since the online crowd is generally younger, brands must also reformulate their target audiences to hit the market's current sweet spot. Be brave and take advantage of this modern-day green rush. CBD isn't going away anytime soon, and neither should your success. It is important to understand that CBD consumer culture has shifted. As CBD has become more popular with a younger crowd of consumers, product types that traditionally tied down the market have lost some degree of relevance, according to the Brightfield Group. Additionally, isolate and full-spectrum cannabinoid extracts have been forced to make room for broad-spectrum CBD, which incorporates the full benefits of minor cannabinoids without containing detectable concentrations of THC. Taking these market shifts into account will help you build a non-intoxicating cannabinoid brand that's relevant for 2023, 2024, and 2025, not just 2022. Let's begin by talking about an industry staple, CBD tinctures. Popular among baby boomers and Gen Xers, tinctures have been at the forefront on the CBD industry since its inception. But as we shift more towards an online CBD market, other product categories are quickly gaining traction. According to Brightfield Group, although new product types continue to be introduced to the market, tinctures still have a projected growth rate of 19% per year over the next 5 years. The CBD market overall, however, is expected to grow at a rate of 29% per year between now and 2025, showing that tinctures have slackened by around 33% compared to the overall market. Tinctures will likely be a cornerstone of the CBD market for many years to come, but brands that focus exclusively on tinctures or place them in the spotlight in front of a younger crowd will fail to take the popularity of other product types into account. Gummies are on the rise, and edibles are a product category that everyone should tap into. Compliant cannabinoid edibles are quickly gaining popularity and should be a staple to any cannabinoid product line. Accessible and remarkably popular among a wide range of consumers, CBD gummies are growing at a rate of 41% per year, according to the Brightfield Group. Other types of edibles are growing at a similar rate, denoting a sea of change in the hemp industry. While gummies have been around for years, these convenient edibles have suddenly caught on like wildfire. Successful CBD gummies are often positioned similarly to gummy multivitamins, leveraging additional ingredients that provide unique effects. The immense customizability of this product category makes it simple for brands to produce diversified gummies that stand out from the competition. Next are soft gels, which continue to remain a mainstay in the cannabinoid industry. Tinctures may be losing their position as the kingpin of the CBD market, but soft gels will continue taking a central role in the compliant cannabinoid industry for years to come. Also called liquid capsules or gel caps, soft gels are familiar to anyone who has ever taken a multivitamin, making this cannabinoid product highly accessible. Lab-tested capsules especially appeal to an older crowd that are skeptical of tinctures. Fueled significantly by high-profile retail chain partnerships, the Brightfield Group projects that the CBD softgel industry is expected to grow by 26% per year over the next 5 years. Topicals are currently popular for targeting problem areas, but this product category is expanding rapidly and should be monitored closely by anyone associated with the hemp industry. According to Brightfield Group's research, compliant cannabinoid topicals are expanding in two unique and equally important ways. First, CBD topicals oriented toward location-specific targeting continue to become more popular among older individuals with painful conditions, and cannabinoid skincare products are catching on among millennials hooked into social media. Not used orally and often available in tester sizes, topicals are more accessible to consumers who are exploring new remedies, but skeptical about taking CBD orally due to fears of a THC high or medication interactions. The benefits of CBD topicals as a location-targeting product have also recently been echoed by prominent athletes, helping these types of compliant cannabinoid products become more mainstream. Skincare and beauty products are catching on quickly, especially for the social media crowd. At the same time that CBD topicals remain steady among older generations, CBD skincare products are trending on Instagram. Increasingly preoccupied with self-care and commonly socially isolated due to COVID-19, younger people are turning to CBD lotions, serums, lip balms, and even bath bombs as they search for social media tips and tricks. Both celebrities and amateur Instagram influencers are amplifying the benefits of trendy CBD skincare solutions to their audiences. And skincare is expected to take up 5% of the overall CBD market by 2025, according to the Brightfield Group. Brands that embrace social media marketing have a lot to gain from this emerging sector of the compliant cannabinoid economy. Minor cannabinoids are attracting major attention. Let's take a moment to shift the focus away from specific product types and hone in on a phenomenon that's largely flying under the radar. Throughout this segment, you'll notice that we frequently use the phrase compliant cannabinoids. That's because CBD isn't alone anymore, and consumers are taking note. Over the last year or so, two additional non-intoxicating cannabinoids have risen to the forefront: cannabigerol, CBG, and cannabinol, CBN. While similar to CBD in that they are non-psychoactive, these cannabinoids each have unique properties. Due to ongoing research into the potential antimicrobial properties of CBG, for instance, this cannabinoid will likely soon take off for acne regimens, and CBN is being added to capsules and tinctures due to its perceived sleep-promoting effects. Brands that seek to diversify and prepare for the future would be wise to incorporate these compliant cannabinoids into their lineups alongside CBD. Remember, innovation is always rewarded. Despite all the pointers we've given, there isn't one right way to launch a cannabinoid brand. What's important is crafting a method of making your brand stand out from the competition. Maybe you'll build an Instagram-centered skincare brand that combines CBG and CBD. Perhaps you'll launch a line of turmeric, spirulina, and theanine CBD gummies that also incorporate CBN. Whatever you do, just remember to pick a reputable manufacturing partner and put together a marketing plan that will establish your fledgling brand's place as an industry icon. That concludes this episode. If you have any questions about cannabinoid extracts or the process of building your own CBD brand, please reach out to us via our website, gvbbiopharma.com.